Knee pads are essential for working long hours while kneeling, and the BARWALT Ultralight Knee Pads are designed for comfort, function, and durability. The KN1 knee pads have excellent grip and are perfect for roofing, flooring, landscaping, and more. The KN3 knee pads have excellent knee protection from sharp objects like screws, nails, or gravel. The smooth plastic exterior also makes it easy to slide along carpeted floors. The rubber, plastic, and foam construction repels water or sweat, making it perfect for many jobs and easy to clean. The BARWALT knee pads are ultra lightweight, adding to the all-day wearability. The foam padding is comfortable while kneeling, and the folding accordion top also prevents harsh rubbing while standing. The straps are flexible and soft enough not to pinch, but strong enough to keep them in place. The BARWALT Ultralight knee pads are completely rebuildable with replacement straps, buttons, and liners. If you need to work on the ground, protect your knees with the comfortable ultralight knee pads from BARWALT.